Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava rings, easy method. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare the syrup first. We'll walk through layering phyllo, brushing with butter, and adding a nut and spice filling. I will demonstrate rolling into rings, scoring the tops, and timing the bake so pieces crisp evenly. Finally, learn how to pour syrup so rings absorb sweetness without sogginess and cool correctly before serving. Lay out phyllo on a clean surface and keep covered with a damp towel to prevent drying. Spoon the nut mixture evenly down the length of each layered sheet and roll gently but firmly into tight ropes. Coil each rope into a ring and place on a baking tray. Score the tops for even baking and brush with extra butter. Bake until golden and then prepare to pour warm syrup evenly over hot pastry. Timing is everything. Bake until a deep golden brown so rings remain crisp after syrup. Heat syrup to just under a simmer and cool slightly before pouring so it soaks without steaming the pastry. Pour slowly and evenly, letting syrup sink between layers for full flavor penetration. Allow rings to cool on the tray to set the syrup and keep edges intact. Serve at room temperature for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.